Hi, in front of me I have DOOGEE S90 and I'm gonna show you how to enable the night mode on this device. First, let's open the quick panel. To do it, swipe down from the top of the screen twice, like this. And here we have a night light icon. To turn the night mode on, we just tap on it. As you can see now, the screen became more, I don't know how to say it, orange. The tint is like orangish. And to turn it off, we just tap it again. We can also press and hold on this icon to go straight to the night light settings. And here we can tap on schedule and tap on turn on custom time to make schedule for it. Basically, we can tap on start time to choose the hour on which it's gonna be turning on, for example 8 p.m. and time, of course, to choose the hour on which it's gonna be turning off, 9 a.m. You can also turn it on and off right here by tapping the slider, and once it is turned on, you can also change the intensity of it, like that. And that's how you enable the night mode on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, remember to subscribe to our channel and leave the like on the video.